RapidLINK Staff Elimination Database is an app that allows the forensic laboratory to manage known profiles from staff, manufacturing employees, and other personnel who may come into contact with DNA samples during collection or processing. RapidLINK Staff Elimination Database is on all the time, so if there's a possible contamination, you get an immediate alert and a report detailing that match. In this video, I'll show you how to manage the staff profiles enrolled in RapidLINK Staff Elimination Database and what it looks like when there's a potential contamination event. From the RapidLINK Staff Elimination Database tab, we can see profiles that have already been enrolled in the database. To add profiles, click on the Upload button below. Likewise, if somebody has left the agency, you can remove their profiles with the Delete button here. One easy way to keep the database up to date is to require instrument operators to enroll their profiles as part of operator training. Plus, once you have the operators enrolled, their swabs could be used as positive controls to check system performance. That's all there is to setting up the elimination database. Let's now move to the Summary tab and see what it looks like when there is a contamination. Any profile in RapidLINK, even if it's still pending review, is being matched against the elimination database. When RapidLINK detects a match, it displays an icon in this right column. Click on the icon to open the report in PDF, and you can see what that sample matched to, as well as the likelihood ratio of that match. As a precaution, InteGenX has preloaded profiles from its manufacturing employees. If there's a contamination from a manufacturer profile, you'll be instructed to notify InteGenX. Keep in mind that since you are controlling the elimination database, you could potentially upload other manufacturer profiles and have them all in one place. That's how easy it is to detect staff contamination with RapidLINK Staff Elimination Database app. For more information on InteGenX RapidDNA technologies, please request a demo from our website.